Before modern safety regulations, before advanced protective equipment, before heavy industry adopted standardized workplace protection, there were metatarsal boots. Strong, protective, dependable. They were never designed for appearance. They were built to prevent injury, to protect workers from hazards that ordinary boots could not withstand. The story of metatarsal boots begins with the rapid industrial growth of the 20th century. As factories, steel mills, mines, and construction sites became larger and more mechanized, workers faced increasing risks from falling tools, heavy materials, and crushing equipment. Traditional work boots protected the sole and ankle. Steel-toe boots added protection for the toes. But injuries to the metatarsal bones, located across the top of the foot, remained common. Engineers responded by developing specialized protective guards that extended beyond the toe cap to shield the entire upper foot. These innovations gave rise to the modern metatarsal boot. The science behind metatarsal boots begins with impact distribution. The metatarsal guard is engineered to spread the force of a heavy impact across a wider surface, reducing the energy transmitted directly to the bones beneath. Depending on the application, these guards may be made from steel, aluminum, composite polymers, or advanced fiber-reinforced materials. Many boots also incorporate steel or composite toe caps, puncture-resistant midsoles, electrical hazard protection, and slip-resistant outsoles. Construction is a study in durability. Full-grain leather resists abrasion while conforming to the foot over time. Goodyear welt construction allows many boots to be resoled, extending their service life. Heavy-duty stitching reinforces stress points. Steel or composite shanks improve stability. Heat-resistant rubber outsoles provide traction on demanding surfaces. Cushioned midsoles and ergonomic insoles reduce fatigue during long work shifts. Throughout history, metatarsal boots became essential equipment across industries where heavy objects are routinely handled. They are trusted in steel manufacturing, mining, foundries, oil and gas, construction, railways, shipbuilding, and industrial maintenance facilities around the world. The distinctive design reflects one purpose: protect workers from severe foot injuries. Psychologically, putting on metatarsal boots reinforces a safety-first mindset. The boots serve as a constant reminder that even routine tasks can involve significant risks. Every step becomes more secure. Every movement reflects preparation. Every shift begins with protection. Today, safety engineering continues improving metatarsal boots. Composite materials reduce weight while maintaining exceptional impact resistance. Waterproof breathable membranes enhance comfort. Advanced shock-absorbing midsoles reduce fatigue. Recycled materials improve sustainability. Computer-aided design optimizes fit without compromising protection. Manufacturers continue balancing durability, flexibility, and safety for increasingly demanding workplaces. The future of metatarsal boots is becoming lighter, smarter, more comfortable, more protective. Researchers are developing advanced energy-absorbing materials, wearable safety sensors, and next-generation composites capable of delivering even greater protection with less weight. Yet their essential purpose remains unchanged: protect the foot, prevent injury, support the worker. Today, metatarsal boots are trusted on industrial sites across every continent. Their rugged construction continues protecting workers in some of the world's most demanding environments. Their evolution reflects decades of advances in materials science, occupational safety, and footwear engineering. Every reinforced guard represents careful engineering. Every durable sole supports confident movement. Every pair of metatarsal boots reminds us that workplace safety is often built one layer of protection, one careful decision, and one secure step at a time.